Hi, I'm Miranda. Thanks for clicking on this little video and spending a few minutes with me to find out if my upcoming pendulum dowsing class could be a fit for you. I have a few questions for you. What if you could pick up a pendulum and get instant answers to any question? Not just any answers, but accurate answers. Answers you can rely on. Answers you can use to take action to move your life forward. Perhaps help your kids, your pets, your family stay safe and live their best lives too. You've seen others do it. They pick up a pendulum and it immediately points to the answers they seek. It seems so effortless. How do they do it? How do they know, without a doubt, that the answers are real, not just imagined, and not just what they want them to be? More importantly, how can you do it? How do you get the answers you need to move forward on any decision with confidence? Now, you could keep wondering, or perhaps if you're already a pendulum user, you struggle with inconsistent results, or even worse, wrong answers, or not knowing if they're wrong answers. You could simply join me for my upcoming workshop, Cut Through the Myths, Get Rid of the Confusion, and end up with fast, easy, accurate answers on demand with a simple little pendulum. I'm a master dowser with decades of experience getting accurate answers for myself and others, and I can teach you how to do the same with my 4Ds of dowsing. Accuracy is far easier than you think. Why pass up the opportunity to make life a little easier and know you're on the right track? What you're doing is the best course of action for you or your family. So join me. I have a 2-day intensive coming up, live, interactive, Zoom-style workshop. It will be held November 19th and the 21st. So walk away knowing you know how to get the answers on demand. $69, and believe me, it'll be well spent. You'll come away with confidence and peace of mind knowing you can ask and get an answer. So follow the links and I'll see you there.